Hello reception. So here we have one of our honeysuckle flowers. We're going to have a look for nectar today because we've looked at pollen and we've talked about how the honeybee collects pollen and what it uses it for. We've looked at where to find it on a plant, and now we are looking at nectar and looking at where you might find nectar in a plant. We will use the honeysuckle plant to look at nectar. Okay, so here we have the honeysuckle flower placed on the tray of our digital microscope. It will magnify the image and you will see the image on the screen. There you can see the pollen, and then at the base of the flower head, here it is, I'm going to apply a little pressure and you can see the sweet watery nectar coming out. Can you see it? It's just coming out now. Nectar is a watery solution of sugars. Most flowers only produce small amounts of nectar. The nectar is very precious to the plant and is stored quite far down at the base here. So if lots of plants store nectar at the base of the flowers, how do the bees get to it? Well, if you look at this honeybee, it has got a proboscis that it's using like a straw. It's a slightly red colour. Can you see it? When the honeybee is not using the proboscis, it will retract it and put it away. When collecting nectar, the honeybee stores the nectar in a separate stomach. So it's using the honeybees. The plant is very, very clever. It's using the flower to entice the honeybees in, to collect the pollen, but also to go down to find the nectar and to take the nectar away. This is going to help the plant and the honeybee. Did you know that a bee doesn't see the colour red? A bee's colour vision is the fastest in the animal world, 5 times faster than a human. This yellow flower is called silverweed. This is silverweed in ultraviolet light. But the bees don't see red, so perhaps they see that as black. Nectar is what the honeybee will use to make honey. Looking around the enchanted garden at school, you can see the honeybee and other pollinators have been very busy. It looks like we've got some blueberries appearing where the flowers were. And now, on our raspberry canes, we've got raspberries growing as well. We're in for a tasty summer.